If you love kunafa or if you've never tried it before, this is your sign to definitely make my healthier version. With the same amazing flavors that have made kunafa one of the most popular desserts in the Middle East, kunafa is one of the best and most delicious desserts you can try. But for some people, it might be a bit too heavy and sweet. That's why I wanted to make a lighter version that's lower in sugar and fat and also much quicker and easier to prepare. For this dessert, all you need to do is buy some kunafa dough from your local store. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Cut the kunafa dough into small pieces with scissors, add them to the pan, and saute until they turn golden. Once they're completely golden, crispy and crunchy, remove them from the heat and let them cool. For the kunafa layer, you can use any type of milk you like in this recipe. Pour your chosen milk into a saucepan. Then add cornstarch, cardamom powder, some grated lemon zest, and a bit of rose water. Add a little regular sugar or plant-based sugar as well. Let it cook over low heat until it thickens completely. After it thickens, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. To make authentic kunafa, use dishes that are oven safe or can go in the air fryer. I used pretty single-serving ceramic dishes. Fill and cover the bottom of the dishes nicely with the golden kunafa. Press down a bit with your hand to compact it. Then pour the sauce we prepared over the kunafa and cover it completely. For the final layer, add more kunafa on top, cover the filling, and press down again with your hand to make sure everything is compact. By the way, don't worry, friends, the exact measurements for the ingredients are written in the video description below. I also sprinkled some ground pistachios on top of the kunafa, and instead of regular walnuts, I used chopped American walnuts for the topping. But you can use whatever you like. Pistachios, walnuts, American walnuts, hazelnuts, or anything else you like. The kunafas are ready to go into the oven or the air fryer. Bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It's that easy. Whenever you want, you can just take them out of the fridge. Put them in the air fryer or oven and they'll be ready in about 10 minutes. Personally, whenever I want to serve them, after taking them out of the oven or air fryer, I drizzle honey on top and serve. If you prefer, instead of honey, you can use a mixture of boiled water and sugar, which is basically the syrup. This is completely up to your taste. Definitely give it a try so you can enjoy the real taste of kunafa and also enjoy an incredibly healthier version.